Okay, 12:30 on Friday night, but I vow not to go to bed until I have all these videos up for you. I really want you to be able to study this weekend, and I apologize for not being able to get to them sooner. A lot to do this week, super busy week. I'm sure you've had a busy week too. So, okay, a mountain climber ascends a mountain to its peak. I'm going to draw the mountain, just why not? There is the mountain. Okay. And this is an elevation of 12,000 feet. The climber climbs to 12,000 feet. That's the peak. And the climber then descends 210 feet to meet a fellow climber. So let's say that this distance from here to here, that red distance in there, is 210 feet. And since they're descending, they're actually decreasing their elevation from 12,000 back down by 210 feet. Okay? Find the climber's elevation above sea level after meeting the other climber. Well, that's that elevation there, which will be 12,000 minus the 210 that they descended. So, if we write it in a way that we can subtract it, to borrow here, that's a 1, that's a 10. Borrow from the 10 to become a 9, so that that's a 10, because we need to be able to do 10 minus 1, which is 9. And then 9 minus 2 is 7. And that's a 1 now, and that's a 1 now. And so the elevation now after descending 210 feet would be 11,790 feet. And it's not negative. I mean, if you're at negative, you would be, this is saying that you are 11,000 feet below the surface of the ocean. No, not likely. Not likely. So your elevation is a positive number because you're above the sea, above sea level. So that is going to be positive 11,790 feet. And that's A.